Hi everyone, Precise HVAC Home Services here again to show you a great episode. Well, today we're going to talk about why heat pumps make more sense to you. And a lot of people have the misconception of heat pumps are only good for the south, they're not good in the north because of the temperatures that they go down to. Well, that's false, because as of 10 years ago, they had made these heat pumps to go down to negative below temperatures. There's some heat pumps that go down to negative 25 degrees, and yes, you will lose efficiency at 0 degrees, but at negative 25 degrees, you're still going to be pumping heat out of that heat pump. With your traditional heat pump, yes, your traditional heat pump was maybe 20, 30 degrees. You couldn't get much more heat out of there. They were good for the south because in the south, you really don't get temperatures below 30 degrees anyway. Maybe 30, 35, 40 degrees is your typical. Here in the Northeast, you're going to see single-digit temperatures. Here in the Northeast, we are seeing an influx and a heavy volume of installation of heat pumps in the last 10 years. And the reason why is because the technology has gotten so great with these things that they are lasting longer versus your traditional conventional system. You can get an additional 5 to 7 years out of them. On top of that, they are super quiet. You don't even know these things are running when you're outside. We actually get calls on a daily basis asking if my system is working. The thing we ask them is, hey, is your system actually producing the heat? They say yes. Well, it's working. The reason why you don't know that it's working is because it's a super quiet system. These heat pumps, not only that they're super efficient, they're super quiet. You can put them in space restrictions outside. There's a lot of code restrictions on the old ones versus the new ones. These heat pumps are the way to go. Now you can do ducted heat pumps that go down to negative 25 degrees, or you can do the ducted ones that go on the wall. It's your preference, whichever ones you like, whichever ones you feel are going to make your presence in your home better. A lot of people don't like the ducted ones because there's ducts that go everywhere, and they don't have the space to put the ducts, and they don't have the space to put the unit. But then again, a lot of people don't like the ductless ones because they hang on the wall and they stay there forever, and they don't like the look of them. You got to get comfortable with them. One thing that the heat pumps versus your traditionals are going to give you is that comfortability. It's going to make you feel comfortable, and your energy consumption is going to be drastic. You're going to see a massive decrease in energy consumption with your new heat pumps versus your traditional air conditioning / heat pump systems. We're talking about a good 20 to 30%. Another thing that it's very intriguing is that the state rebates that we currently are offering are substantial. We're currently offering up to $15,000 in state rebates and up to $2,000 in tax credit. Like, wouldn't you want that in your home? I mean, I do, right? I definitely do. Those credits, those rebates go away by the end of the year. They change constantly, so no one knows if they're going to come back and if they're going to be up to that same amount of significant rebate. And lastly, it's the financing availability that you're getting. You're getting 0.09% for financing your heat pumps. Like, where are you going to get this type of financing availability? Nowhere. This is this year only. The rebates up to $15,000, the $2,000 tax credit, and the 0.9% interest rate to get a brand new system. Those are the benefits to get a new heat pump versus your traditional conventional. Hope this helped, guys.